Hey busy mom, this is when squeezing your butt cheeks is really important. The biggest mistake kids make when performing a back float is not squeezing their butt cheeks, which causes them to sink. So have some fun with this, get silly and tell them to pretend they are squeezing a coin between their butt cheeks and tell them to hold it. And encourage them to lift their chin up by asking them if they can see the dancing monkeys above them. They will definitely look up to see this. If you're getting value out of this video, then I know that having top-of-mind infant and child CPR and choking skills is essential for you. But how do you learn and actually remember life-saving skills as a busy, tired, overwhelmed parent who would likely freeze and panic in an emergency? Well, listen up to this quick message which will show you how to get started easily and conveniently so that you never risk being unprepared for a life-threatening emergency, no matter your child's age or stage, because you love them so much. Don't let your precious hugs be taken away from you. You know that feeling when you take your baby out of their crib and you give them a big hug? You know that feeling when you wake your toddler up in the morning and they reach out to you with their arms? You know that feeling when you put your child to bed and you snuggle and kiss, and it just feels so good? But what if those hugs were taken away from you forever because your child choked and you didn't know what to do? This happened to my friend's friend. This has happened to my students, and their biggest regret was not learning life-saving skills prior to the emergency. And this has happened to parents across the globe. In fact, one child dies every 5 days in the US from choking on food. I know this is harsh, but I just don't want this to be your reality, which is why I'm so pleased to announce my new free choking class for busy parents. It's called Quickly Clear It, Don't Fear It. Know and remember exactly what to do when your baby child chokes, even if you're terrified of choking. Please make it a priority to register at the lifesavingcoach.com/choking and comment hugs if I'm going to see you in my class. You can find the details in the description box and the pinned comment. And now let's continue with the featured video. So encourage your little one to squeeze their butt cheeks and look up, and you'll definitely see an improvement in their back floats with some practice. Learning back floats is challenging for kids, so in addition to swimming lessons, I recommend that you get in the water and practice with them as much as you can, because a back float is a very important swim skill that your child needs to master. That's your water tip of the day from the lifesavingcoach.com, helping parents protect what matters most with life-saving education. Please share this with a parent friend. Now, I know if back floats were important to you, then you'll also want to learn how to teach your child to kick. Find out the 2 common mistakes kids make when it comes to kicking and how to fix these in the video showing on your screen.